Introducing Gati, the all-in-one school excellence platform designed to revolutionize school operations and elevate performance. Let's explore the Student Management module, one of the 20 powerful modules offered by Gati. Enrolling new students is a breeze. Just navigate to the new admissions form in the drop-down menu. With a detailed 7-page documentation form, you can quickly fill in the student's necessary details. Once completed, the student's account is instantly integrated with other modules such as fee management, attendance tracking, and class scheduling. Managing school fees has never been this simple. With the assigned fee structure feature, you can create customizable yearly installment plans, dividing tuition, transportation, and other fees over the academic year. Parents can conveniently view pending installments through the mobile application at any time and even receive automatic reminders when due dates approach. And because it's all connected, they can pay instantly, saving both your staff and parents' time and effort. Admins have complete oversight of all running classes, including student strength, organized by academic year. They can view or edit student details and download student ID cards individually or in bulk, streamlining administrative tasks. Creating and assigning class schedules has never been easier. Using the Assign Timetable feature, admins can select the class, choose days, subjects, and assign faculty with just a few clicks. If a teacher is unexpectedly absent, the Engage Classes feature allows instant reassignment. Simply mark the absent faculty, specify leave dates, and select an available replacement from the displayed list. Teachers also receive instant notifications when they've been assigned to cover a lecture, ensuring continuity without delays. When the new academic year begins, promoting students to the next class is effortless. With Gati, you can select the current academic year and class, either individually or in bulk, transfer students to their next class. A few clicks, and the data is updated, no hassle, no delays. Issuing a transfer certificate, TC, or migration certificate is equally straightforward. Use the TC migration feature to search for the student, verify their fee deposit clearance, and ensure no dues are left in any department. This ensures a smooth and transparent process for departing students. With so much to manage, you need a bird's eye view of everything important. That's where our interactive dashboard comes in handy. It's easy to spot static reports, year-wise new students' admission data, student attendance, class-wise total students' data, all presented in intuitive graphs and visual analytics, and so much more, all seamlessly accessible in one centralized platform. Achieve more with less effort. Use our smarter solutions for seamless school management. Ready to take your school to the next level of efficiency and excellence? Let's accelerate your success with Gati.